Hello everyone! Welcome back to Ram's tutorial. So today guys, I will give you a techniques on how to answer subtracting numbers mentally. When you set mentally to our minds, we should be creative enough. I am going to give you a techniques and innovative ways on how to answer numbers mentally. With this, you can answer or solve different equations in a very or simpler ways. Please watch this video and I am going to give you different ways or techniques to answer the different equations in math. Once again, good day and God bless us. Welcome back to Ram's tutorial. Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to Ram's tutorial. So today guys, I have another what we call techniques and innovative ways on how to subtract mentally using the different numbers. Here are the different equations, but before that, we are going to unlock the definition what is mental subtractions. Mental subtraction class is an important skill. We know what is an important skill. So this is what you call the very important details on how we are going to answer the different problems. Sometimes you can even make your own technique. Yeah, that's right. To make mental subtraction easier for you. And this one, guys, are very innovative, competitive ways on how to answer the questions in subtracting numbers mentally. Here is one example. Here is one strategy that you can use to subtract 22 and 7 mentally. All you have to do is you are going to break down 7 into two numbers, which is the presence of 2 and 5. And the first number, it should be the same as the ones digit. So for example, we have 2 and then 2. This is what I'm saying. Okay? So 2 and 5 is from 7, breaking number 7. So remember that the number 2 and the first digit also from here, the given equation 22, it should be the same. Okay, to avoid confusion when you subtract it. Now, we're going to subtract 22 minus 2. The answer here is 20. Then, copy 5 here. Then the result is 15. Okay? That's quite interesting today. Our subtractions, our ways on how to answer is mentally. Okay? Breaking up the numbers, two numbers, it should be the first digit of the number. It should be the same for the first number that given. Okay? Let's proceed for our exercises. Direction says, find the difference mentally. Given 46 minus 8. So we are going to break number 8. Okay, we are going to write here. I'm going to write the given equations 46 minus, so we have to break number 8, breaking number 8 class. So we have 6 then and 2, which is 6 plus 2, the result is 8. Okay, so now we can subtract it. 6 minus 6 class, same numbers, automatic 0. So we're going to copy the 4. Okay, we write 40. Then the next number is 2. Okay, we're going to write 40 minus 2. Okay, please follow guys. Then we are going to subtract 40 minus 2 class. We're going to write here 38. That is how what you call mental subtractions or this technique applies, and it works well, right? It will not confuse us. You, my dear viewers, I will give you a very good techniques on how to subtract mentally. We're going to proceed to number 2. Again, the first number should be the same as the ones digit of the minuend, which is 6. Then, of course, it's same numbers. That's it. It's the ones of the first digit of the minuend. Let's proceed to 73 minus 9. So I'm going to write class 73 minus 9. Okay? So we're going to break this one 9. So I'm going to write, so break number 9, so it will be the same. Then here 6 plus 3 is 9, so we are going to subtract 3 minus 3 class, so we have 70. That's 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, copy the number 7 here, then subtract to next digit, which is 6. Okay, so we're going to write here our answer. So you're going to think class 70 minus 6. So I will give you a short what you call the how to find 70 minus 6 class, okay, in a detail. So we have here 6, and then subtract, 0 becomes 10, 7 becomes 6, okay. So 10 minus 6 class, so we're going to write here 4, then bring down 6. That's easy, right? Okay, so we're going to write here 64. Okay, that's it. Every step it should be detailed. Next, number 3, 85 minus 7. Okay, so we're going to write, okay, 85 here, then 7, we are going to break it, the number 7 here, breaking up. So we have here 5, then 2. So same number, the first digit of the menu n, then subtrahend. So we're going to copy this one, 8. Then the result is 80. It's just because 5 minus 5, my dear viewers, is 0. So 80, we're going to write here our difference, subtract to subtrahend 2, minus 2 class. So we're going to write here our answer. So as I've said, I want you every step it should be detailed. So you can subtract 80 minus 2. Okay, so we're going to write here 7 and 8. That is 78. And how? Okay, I'm going to show you. So 2, then 0 becomes 10. So borrowed here from 8 becomes 7. So we have 8 and 7. That is 78. Next, number 4. Okay, 24 minus 6. So we're going to break the number 6 here. So I'm going to write 24 minus. So 6 here, we're going to break the number 6. We have 4. It should be the first digit. It should be the same class. 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, copy 2 here. The result is 21st. Not 20. Then 20 minus 2. Okay, we're going to write here the answer. Okay, so we have 18 is our answer. And how? I'm going to show you 20 minus 2. So 0 becomes 10, 2 becomes 1. So we have 8 and 1. And that's the same way on how to answer or subtracting numbers mentally. Okay, all you have to do, guys, you are going to break the number, which is our subtrahend, and then after breaking it, you must see to it that the first number should be the same as the ones digit of the menu n, and that is very much important, my dear viewers. Okay, hope you can follow. What number are we now? We are going to proceed to number 5. Number 5, we have 33 minus 9. So we're going to write class 33 minus 9. So we're going to break number 9. Okay, we have here 3, then 6. So 3 minus 3, that's still 0, minus 6. Okay, we're going to write here our answer. So break the number first here, 30 minus 6. So 10, so 2. So we have 4. Then our answer here is 24. Okay, it should be the same. I want my answer is if every number it should be detailed. Next, 48 minus 6. So all you have to do, guys, to write 48, then break number 6. you write at the top, then break the number 6, which is 48 minus 48 minus 6. Okay, here we go guys. So remember the first number is 8. So actually it should be the same because if this case the given equations is not correct, we're going to what we call break this. So 6 instead of 6, we're going to write 8. It should be 8. Actually, this is what we call common also error. Okay, it's not what we called the common error for us. So we're going to write it again. So we're going to break it. Okay, so we have 8. So 48 minus 8 guys, so we can break it number 6. So we have here 6 and 2, and then we change until now. So 8, we're going to change 8 also to what we call 2. Okay, this is a common error, sorry for that. Okay, now we can start subtracting it. So 2 minus 2 is 0, then 4, that's 40, then minus 6. Okay, we can subtract it now. 40 minus 6, so I'm going to show you how to answer. Okay, 1, so that's 4. Then 4 becomes 3, so we're going to write here 34, our answer. 55 minus 6. This is actually the given equation is correct, not like for number 6, it's quietly confused. That's why guys, I need to change the following numbers because number 6 is incorrect, what we call equations. Okay, here we go. That's a common mistake. 55 minus 6, we're going to write guys 55 minus 6, so we're going to break 6 also. So we have here 5, then 1. It should be first digit guys, it should be the same to avoid confusing to you. Okay, so 5 minus 5, that's 0. So I think I'm going to write it here 50 minus 1. Okay, that's actually 49, our answer. Next, 8. 63 minus 8. That is correct, what you call given equation. So we're going to write 63 minus, then we are going to break the number 8. We're going to write here 3 guys, then 5, because when you add this one, it should be the number 8 result. So subtract same number, so becomes 60 minus 5. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys. So 0 becomes 10, 6 becomes 5, so bring down 5, then 5, that's 55. Okay, it should be the same. Number 9. Okay, again, my dear viewers, you must be extra careful in doing this because remember some of the numbers in math actually, so it might be this is what you call a rare case, but actually this is really happen. Okay, sometimes our teachers given the questions which is incorrect equations, so you need to be what we call a proof reader. You must review your work whether your work is incorrect or correct. Let's proceed to 71 minus 9. Okay, so we have first here 71 minus break number 9. We're going to break 9, so we have 1 and then 8. Okay, so 1 minus 1, actually that's 0. So first I'm going to write 7, then 0, 70 minus 8. The next digit guys. So I'm going to subtract 70 minus 8. So again, 70 minus 8, so 0 becomes 10, so 7 becomes 6. So we have here 2, and then the answer is 62. Okay, that's it. Next number. What number are we now? Number 10. 96 minus 9. So we're going to break what we called 9. 96 minus. So here I'm going to write at the top. Break 9. So I'm going to write for same number with the first digit 6. Then I actually add 3 to make it 9. Okay, then 96 minus 6 minus 3 is equal. So 6 minus 6 is 0. Copy 9. That's 90 minus 3. Okay, I'm going to show you what is the result. 90 minus 3. 0 becomes 10. 9 becomes 8. So this is 7, then 8. So our answer, guys, is 87. Actually, this is a very competitive what you call techniques on how to answer subtracting numbers mentally, guys. This is another and a unique way or techniques or strategies to answer this type of equations. Next, 1184 minus 8, guys. So same procedure, right? 84 minus, then break the number 8. I put 8 at the top. Then here, same numbers, guys. It should be like that to avoid confusion. Then start. 4 minus 4 is 0. So I'm going to write first 8. Then minus 4. Okay? That's the next. So I'm going to put an equal sign. So 80 minus 4. So I'm going to show you guys here in a quick 80 minus 4. 10, 7. So we have here 6, then 76. Okay, that is our answer for number 11. Next, 12. 28 minus 7. Actually, guys, this kind of what we call a topic. This is very much important for you, my dear viewers, especially graders. Okay, not only graders, but this technique also you can apply that even though you are what you call the higher grade. Okay, getting tertiary like that. This is a very much important. 28 minus 7, guys. Let's proceed. So copy again 28, then break number 7. I'm going to write here at the top, then break it. So actually is 7, so we have 8. This is another confusing equation, guys. 28 minus 7. So we have here, this actually is 8. It should be what we call the break number, what we called 7. So let's have what we called actually, so we change 7. This is another, okay, we change it 9. Okay, yeah, like that. Okay, so I think it's 9 because when you break, guys, 7 then to 8, so your answer is incorrect. So be what you call smart, or what number are you going to replace it? So I changed 7 to 9. That's quite okay. 28 minus 9, so 9. I'm going to break it. So we have 8 here, guys. Then subtract to 1 because when you add 8 and 1, the result is 9. Okay, we have, and I'll give you what you call a smart idea on how to solve that equation and to change and replace numbers instantly. 8 minus 8, guys, it's 0. Then I copied 2, so the result is 20. Then I rewrite 20 minus 1, the next digit. Then the result is 19. Okay, hope, guys, you can follow. Next number, 44 minus 6, that's number 13. Okay, this is correct equation. So I think we have two numbers which is incorrect equation. So that's correct. Okay, so we can give instantly numbers. Number 13, 44. We're going to write, guys, 44 minus 6. So si 6 sa taas natin ilalagay at top. Then break 6 also. So we have 4 and 2. The result is 6. So must be smart. 4 minus 4 is 0. So that's 40. Then 40 minus 2. So we have 38. Okay, I'm going to show you 40 minus 2. Okay, so 10, so we have 8, we have 3. It's 38. That's the same. Next number, 14, 54 minus 5. This is also correct, guys. So I'm going to write 54 minus, so 5. I write it here above so that it's easier for you to see it. Then break number 5. So 4 minus 1 is equal. 4 minus 4 is 0. Then get 5 here. That's 50. We write 50 minus 1. The result is 49. Why? I'm going to show you. 50 minus 1. So 10, that's 9. 5 becomes 4, that's 49. And it's still the same. The last number, my dear viewers, that's 15. 15 for this part. And we're going to continue until 20. 66 minus 4, okay? So we're going to write, guys, 66. Actually, this is getting on the guys. So we have 4. So when we break 4, it's not another discrepancy again. Okay. We are going to change, okay, 4 instantly into what you called, I think, because when we break it, it's not the same for our first digit of the given equations. Instantly, guys, I'm going to change it 8. Okay, 6 becomes 8, guys. Remember that. Break 8. Okay, instantly. So we have here 6, then 2. Okay. Then 6 minus 6, that's 0. 60 minus 2. Okay, so we're going to write 60 minus 2, guys. So 0 becomes 10. So this is 8. Bring down. Okay, that's 5. Remember. $58. Okay, that's correct. Okay, another 3 incorrect questions. So let's proceed to. We're going to proceed to now next numbers. Okay, we have here 16. 85. Wow, this is good. 85 minus 7, guys. So this is actually correct equation. So we're going to write here 85. Then write 7 here. Then I encircled. So please follow, guys. Okay, so we have here 5. I break 7 first. Okay. Subtract, guys. 5 minus 5. I'm going to write here 0. Then I rewrite here 8. 80 minus 5. Okay, the result is, so I'm going to show you. 80 minus 5. 0 becomes 10, 8 becomes 7. So actually it is 75. Okay, that's answer for number 16. 17, 92 minus 6. Okay, we're going to write 9, 2. Break 6. Minus 2 and minus 4. 2 minus 2, guys, it's 0. Okay, we're going to copy 9, so that's 90. 90 minus 4 is equal what? We're going to show you 90 minus 4. 0 becomes 10, 9 becomes 8, so we have 6. Okay, that's 86. 18, guys. 73 minus 5. Please watch the video till the end and do this instantly. All you have to do is to follow ROM's tutorial educational. 73, then break number 5, guys. I'm going to write here at the top so that it's easier for you to break number 5. Okay, so we have here 3, guys, then 2. Okay, so same numbers, this one, 3 and 3. So it's easier for you to subtract. That's 0. Don't forget to write 7, the first digit, that's 70, minus 2. Actually, guys, this is an easy way, an easiest way rather for us to answer. Okay, I'm going to show you because ROM's tutorial educational wants you to answer it perfectly. And of course, it should be detailed. So 0 becomes 10, 7 becomes 6. So we have 8, 68, my dear viewers. Okay, our answer is same. 19, 32 minus 6. This actually last for the third exercises. We write 32. So break 6. Okay. So we can break it like that, diba? It's easy, guys. Actually, at the first and foremost, you might be confused, but when you follow that, it is easy, right? So I'm going to show you 30 minus 4. How we can get to our answers here. So that's 26. Okay. Here, next number, 20, the last number for our discussions. 77 minus 8. This is actually correct, class. 77 minus, so write 8 at the top. Break down. So we have here. Yan, okay. Subtract, that's 0. Then we write the first digit. Then minus next digit, which is 7. Okay, then actually I'm going to show you 70 minus 7. 0 becomes 10, 7 becomes 6. So we have here 3. And then, okay, our answer is correct. Hope, my dear viewers, my dear students, you can follow our discussion today about how to subtract numbers mentally. Remember, mental subtraction, this is an important skill, guys. Sometimes you can even make your own technique to make mental subtraction easier for you. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to Ram's Tutorial Educational channel. Okay, press the red button and hit the notification bell so that you're updated for our more and latest videos to come. Hope to see you guys around for our next video tutorial. Once again, God bless us and good morning again.